Why try meditation?
Meditation is a simple way to reduce stress, boost your mood, and improve focus. Anyone can start, and even a few minutes a day can make a difference. You don't need special equipment or experience, just a willingness to try. Meditation is for everyone, and it's an easy step toward better mental health and mindfulness.
Find a comfortable space.
Choose a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Sit in a chair with your feet on the floor or on a cushion with your legs crossed. Keep your back relaxed but upright. There's no need for fancy postures. Just make sure you feel safe, comfortable, and alert. A calming setting helps your mind settle more easily.
Focus on your breath.
Close your eyes if comfortable, and gently bring your attention to your natural breathing. Notice the feeling of air moving in and out. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Simply return your attention to your breath. This basic focus is the heart of meditation and helps anchor you in the present moment.
Start small and be consistent.
Begin with just 2 to 5 minutes each day. Set a timer or use a gentle alarm. As this habit becomes easier, you can gradually increase the time. Consistency is more important than duration. Creating a routine, such as meditating first thing in the morning, helps make it part of your daily life.
Be patient with yourself.
It's normal for your mind to wander or for you to feel restless at first. Meditation is not about perfection. Over time, you'll notice calmer thoughts and a greater sense of control. Be kind and patient with yourself, and remember that every practice session is a step toward improved well-being.